I'm Leona from S&S, and today we're going to try the new Marabu Pouring Fluid. Now, pouring fluid will actually reduce the consistency of your acrylic paint, but not the colour intensity. So you'll get some beautiful effects when we pour it. We're mixing different colours, and we're going to use some of the Marabu acrylics, plus also some chrome acrylic, and also the Atelier Free Flow. So we're going to use a variety of acrylics. So, in a cup, we've just already poured some paint and some fluid. So you're wanting to get a nice smooth consistency, just so it's like runny cream. So I've poured some of the yellow Atelier Free Flow, and then with the Marabu Pouring Fluid, just squirt a bit in and then start mixing. You just keep pouring it until you actually get the consistency that you want. That's a nice consistency. I'm going to do two different techniques. I'm going to do the paper towel technique, and then I'm going to do a dirty pour. So the first one, I'll just move these out the way. We're going to pour a few different drops onto the canvas. And then our last one will be the lovely magenta. Whoops. Okay. And we're going to pick that up and move it and let it flow all through the canvas. We will pour a little bit more on to help it flow. And then with the aid of the paddle pop stick, we'll just move it around. As you can see, there's a little bit of cell work happening already. We're just trying to cover the canvas. As you can see, as I drag the colour across, even just with the paddle pop stick, the cells are forming. So I'm just going to cover the whole section there. And then, just with a bit of paper towel, you can very quickly lay it down and then lift it off. And you get some really lovely cells happening and like a marbled effect. So that is one technique. The other technique is where we do a dirty pour. Now with this one, we're going to pour the colours into each other. So I'm going to start with the white. I'm going to pour the magenta in, then some yellow, and then some blue. Now you don't mix that, you do is get your canvas board. I'm going to put it up on one sort of in the middle, and then we're just going to let that flow out. Make sure the paint gets from the top, the bottom down onto the canvas. You can do this onto a variety of surfaces. Okay. So we're just going to cover the plate, the canvas board again. This is a self-leveling product, so it actually will keep on moving off until it's got its level. Okay. And that's our Marabu our Marabu pouring fluid.